Have you ever wondered what it takes to become a Newton account holder? You know, those people who seem to have a constant stream of money flowing into their bank accounts? Well, today, we're going to dive deep into the requirements and process of getting a Newton account. Hook. Imagine having the financial freedom to invest in whatever you want, whenever you want. Sounds pretty good, right? But is it really as easy as it seems? Let's find out. Body. 1. Understanding Newton. What is Newton? A financial technology platform that provides a simple and accessible way to invest in global stocks and ETFs. Known for its user-friendly interface and low fees. How does Newton work? Explain the basic process of buying and selling investments on the platform. Highlight the benefits of investing with Newton. 2. Eligibility criteria. Age. Must be 18 years or older to open an account. Residency. Newton is currently available in select countries. Check their website for the latest information. Identification. You'll need to provide valid identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license. Proof of address. You may need to verify your address with a utility bill or bank statement. 3. Account opening process. Step-by-step guide. Creating an account on the Newton platform. Verifying your identity and address. Funding your account. Tips for a smooth process. Gather all necessary documents beforehand. Follow the instructions carefully. Be patient during the verification process. 4. Minimum deposit. Discuss the minimum deposit requirement to open a Newton account. Is there a minimum amount you need to invest initially? Are there any ongoing minimum balance requirements? Explore options for smaller investments. Fractional shares, buying portions of a single share. Dollar cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly. 5. Fees and charges. Breakdown of fees. Trading fees. Inactivity fees. Currency conversion fees. Compare Newton's fees to other investment platforms. Discuss the importance of understanding fees before investing. 6. Additional requirements. Know your customer, KYC, verification. Explain the purpose of KYC and the information you may need to provide. Tax implications. Discuss the tax implications of investing through Newton. Advise viewers to consult with a tax professional. Risk tolerance assessment. Explain the importance of assessing your risk tolerance before investing. Discuss how Newton may assess your risk tolerance. 7. Conclusion. Recap the key points discussed in the video. Emphasize the importance of doing your own research before investing. Encourage viewers to visit the Newton website for more information. Outro. So, there you have it. Getting a Newton account is generally a straightforward process, but it's important to understand the requirements and fees involved. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be well on your way to starting your investment journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.